What will this truck power? Will it power on a CPAP machine? Here we go. Yes, it will power a CPAP machine. Will the Ridgeline power this LED shop light? Yes. You can see that. Very bright. Will the Ridgeline power a Sawzall? Here we go. Will the Ridgeline power this drill? Yes, it will. Just need to tighten down on the chuck. Will the Ridgeline power this halogen shop light? That's what scares me a little bit. Let's see. Whoa, it does. Amazing. Will it power a small television set? There we go. Let's turn it on. Buttons are, here we go. Let's see if it will. Oh, yes, it works. Will the Ridgeline power a small microwave oven? Let's see. Yes, it is operating. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can see it moving around in there. Wow.